Hi friends, what's up? This is Dr. from 360 Data. It's time to learn how to use Safari's built-in 2FA code generator on your Mac. In the wake of increased online account hacking, you should never miss any chance to add an extra layer of safeguard to your account. Using Apple's verification codes, you can protect your accounts and keep hacking at a fair distance. The two-factor authentication aka 2FA offers hardened security during login attempts by requesting that the user provides an extra piece of information only they would know, such as a randomly generated code from a third party. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, you have to explore the security or privacy settings of the site to enable the use of an authenticator app. On X, formerly Twitter accounts, for example, the 2FA option is found under the settings and privacy section, so make sure to get it done beforehand. After that, open Safari on your Mac. Then select Safari menu at the top left corner of the user interface. After that, choose Settings in the drop-down menu. Then choose the Passwords tab to proceed. Then either type your user password or use Touch ID to authenticate. Then find and open the entry for the site you want to add 2FA to, and then click on the Setup next to verification code under the Accounts option. If the site offers a setup key, enter it in the setup key field. If it offers a QR code, control-click it and then choose Setup Verification Code. Alternatively, you can download the QR code image and then choose it using the option. Then open Safari on your Mac. After that, navigate to the website that requires two-factor authentication aka 2FA. Then enter the username and password for the website as usual. When the website asks for a 2FA code, look for Safari's built-in suggestion that appears above the input field. Then click on the 2FA code suggestion. Safari will now automatically generate and fill in a 2FA code. Then complete the login process by verifying the 2FA code and you are good to go. And that is all there is to it. So that's how you can easily use Safari's built-in 2FA code generator on your Mac. Now that you know how this security feature works, get the most out of it to secure your account. If I found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.